All right, good afternoon. I spoke with Hope earlier today. My name is Austin. I'm with Digital Marketing Solutions, and I saw y'all's ad on Angie's List, and I also put up y'all's website. And it's not a bad website. It's just not ranked properly on Google, which is why y'all not getting the right amount of traffic that y'all need. So, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some stuff that's on the top pages on Google. Okay, so this is one of y'all's competitors, right? 1 hour air conditioning and heating, and the layout's pretty well as well. Okay. With that being said, you want to try to have 1,000 keywords, 1,000 words on your website. Okay. Now, if I go to pull them in, I do some research on them. The UR is going to be their strength. Okay. The DR is going to be the popularity. So they're very popular because they're running the right ads the right way, and they're also on Google using SEO the right way. Okay. They have a lot of backlinks, meaning that their website backlinks back to their homepage. Okay. They're referring domains, meaning that their domains are put in the right places on other websites as well. When you click on it, it's the domain that's going to pop up, bringing them back to the website. They have 142 good organic keywords. Their traffic is good, and their traffic value, right, at about 5K, which is pretty good. That's what we're looking for. Another company, for example, is going to be your AC repair. This is Lindstorm. Decent website, it's a little outdated, okay? But it's ranked on the top of Google, okay? That's the biggest thing we're looking for, like I said. So if we get to do a little bit of stuff on them, their strength is not as good, but their popularity is not that bad. They have one backlink, one referring domain, keywords at 57, but look at their traffic. So that's also driving it up a lot more. And if you see over the years, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So whatever they did in the past, looks like someone needs to work on their site as well. And then, of course, you have them right here, right? All-time air conditioning and heating. Now, why are they so popular? Because they offer it all, right? And that is what they're advertising for too. Facebook, Twitter, Google, right? YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Yelp. They're everywhere. That's the kind of marketing that we want to put for your website. That's what's going to drive more traffic, drive more business as well, okay? And they are doing pretty well because of their strength. Their popularity is not that popular because they're not advertising the right way. But look at their backlinks. A lot of backlinks. Over 2,000 backlinks, 236 domains, the right keywords. So almost 7,000 keywords. That is ideal for their website, and that's going to be ideal for your website as well too. Organic traffic. Look at that traffic value, right? That's how much you're bringing in right there on a few different jobs. That's what that means. So the whole goal is, this is your website right here, okay? This is going to be your overview right now. So your strength is not bad. Look at your rank. Look at the DR. You have no popularity. Backlinks, 52. Referring domains, 22. Organic keywords, only 6. No organic traffic and no organic value. So what I can do for y'all really is to put y'all referring domains, increase that by at least 40%, backlinks by at least 50 to 60%, organic keywords over 100, organic traffic, we can get that to over 100, and then the traffic value is also going to increase over time. Okay, so as we go up with this, as the couple weeks go by, all these things you can see right here are going to increase, which is going to increase traffic, volume, service, product, and also obviously revenue, and then the amount of actual sales that you're getting as well. And that's the goal. So if you have any questions, please you can email me back at the email that I'm reaching back out to you. But that is what the basic overview is, and I can help you. And if you want to give me a call, you can do as well. That way you can proceed forward. Like I said, I work with a lot of different agencies and a lot of different AC repair companies in West Palm Beach, and I'm here to help with people that need a little bit more business, guys. So y'all give me a call, shoot me an email back, let me know what y'all think.